Hi, Ted Speck here, corporate chef with Welbilt. We're here at the NRA Show, and we're going over debuting our new Convotherm Maxx Pro. Largest feature about the Convotherm Maxx Pro is our Born Digital Common Controller. Connects to our Kitchen Connect platform as well as Wi-Fi enabled. Great features about the new controller, new software. We're debuting a hot smoke feature. So you have hot smoke and cold smoke as well. Another great feature with the new 10-inch controller, it's a lot more vivid screen, touch screen, scrolling. Our nice same two-stage door handle, disappearing door, but the improved features are LED lighting on the inside of the cavity, triple pane glass, still got our same slam shut door feature. Other than that, the same great performance as the Convotherm 4, but some greatly enhanced features. If you'd like more information, please contact your brand rep.